Hi everyone, meet again, this time with Gola problem. So Gola problem, there are a few cases. This is one of the cases. When do we say it's Gola problem? You write down Gola when you see you got modulus on one side and there is inequality. So what do you do? Very simple. You know when you got modulus, you open up, meaning to say, according to definition, one you write as positive, one you write as negative. That's the definition, right? So what I do now, this guy I open up, one is positive. I don't disturb the sign, I don't disturb the number. Then the other one is negative. So it is negative of 2 minus 3x. I don't disturb the sign, I don't disturb the number. Hope the first step is very clear to you. Next, what is the use of Gola? Okay, so here, this one we read as less. So, less, you use and. If you got greater, use or. So here is less, so because of less, I use and. Where do I put the word and? I put in the middle. What is the use of this word and? In a while we will see. Hope you can follow up until there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to treat this as one question. When you get the answer first. So this guy, negative 3x less than equal to 3. So I times by negative first because I don't want any careless mistake. X is greater than equal to negative 1. So question 1, solution 1. And this guy now, very simple. I multiply both sides by negative 1. Remember to change the sign. Negative 3x greater than equal to, this guy go that side, negative 7. Negative, I get rid first 3x less than equal to 7. X is less than equal to 7 over 3. Question 2, solution 2. Remember, I got the word and there, so definitely I need to do something. I got solution 1, solution 2. I combine using my number line. So negative 1 here, 7 over 3 here. This guy going this side, this guy going this side. The word and means I need to do intersection. So it is intersection between solution 1 and solution 2. So I do like that. The final answer going to be this. So what on earth is this? Very simple. These are the values of x that satisfy this inequality. If you don't believe in the answer, right? Pick any value, substitute inside, and you should get something which is logic. What I mean by that? You know 0 is between the interval, right? Take 0, put in there. 0 times 3 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Modulus of 2 is 2. And definitely 2 is less than equal to 5. There you go. Next week. Okay, next example. So again, we are dealing with Gola problem. Why? Modulus on one side, then got inequality. Write down Gola. But then this time around, I'm not going to go and circle A. Why? Because this guy I read as greater. So when you got greater, you're going to go and circle O. O means or. So we just go by the definition. What is the definition? Okay, this is the definition. Meaning to say, when you open modulus, one you write as positive. Don't disturb the sign. And then the other one is going to be negative of this guy. Greater than equal to x minus 1. Please follow the definition. I know some people, they will skip to the next step straight away. That is where you make careless mistake. Trust me on this. And now the word in the middle is going to be or. Okay, because of greater. So I treat this as one question. So I solve this, I get the answer. You follow the similar strategy for all the upcoming questions that you come across. So this one, 5x. This guy I pindah, become negative 5. X is greater than equal to negative 1. Question 1, solution 1. This guy here, okay, question 2. So negative 7x minus 4. Okay, maybe some people what they do, they go and multiply and then they change sign, doesn't matter. So this one greater than equal to x minus 1. So I bring the x this side, negative 9x. This guy I go the other side, become plus, so greater than equal to 3. I don't want the negative, so I multiply by negative 1. So this is what I get, x is less than equal to negative 1 over 3. Question 2, solution 2. Hope you are clear up until there. What do I do next? I need to do something with the word or. So I combine solution 1 and solution 2 using my number line. Negative 1 here, negative 1 over 3 here. This guy I going this way. This guy I going this way. Or means you need to unite your solution 1 and your solution 2. Alright? So what do? I just go and shade all the kawasan that I got the number line. Hope you are clear until there. Now I need to go and write down the final solution based on what I shaded. Based on what you have shaded is everything, so negative infinity to infinity. There you go. Simple and easy Gola problem. Next example. Alright people, third example. So again, this is a Gola problem. By now you should know why do I call it Gola problem. Gola problem is because if you see got modulus on one side, we got inequality, write down Gola. Okay, now I got quadratic, don't worry, it's not difficult. Okay, you just have to follow simple steps. So this one we read as less, so because of less I go and circle A is n. So follow definition, one is going to be positive. Then the other one is going to be negative, so negative x squared, I copy this entire thing, minus 5x plus 3, don't disturb the sign, don't disturb the number, and the word in the middle is going to be n. Hope you are clear with the first step. So now we got two separate questions. My advice to you, settle one question, get the answer, then you go to the next question, settle, get the answer. So look at this, right? This is nothing difficult. It's something very familiar. I ask you to appreciate the English always. So this one, you treat it as question 1. So this is quadratic inequality. Quadratic inequality. What method do you use in order to solve? Well, if you remember correctly what I said, quadratic inequality, graphical method. So you're going to use graphical method using the acronym 6R in order to solve. 6R. So, get the answer. Alright, so magically everything has appeared. Just wanted to save time. Okay, didn't want to bore you more because we already discussed this. So, quadratic inequality, make sure you get 0 on one side. Okay, that's the first step. So, I bring 3, of course. Now you just left with this. So, 6R method. So, first one, S is the shape, happy graph. Second, okay, is Ix. Ix means you know. Okay, is x-intercept. So x-intercept when y is 0. So you put that in, get x equals 0 and 5. Third step, S, which is sketch using information 1 and information 2. So information 1 and information 2, you know, happy graph, got at 0 and 5. So I will have two positive region, one negative region. So very easy to actually identify the region because there is kawasan between curve and x-axis, curve, x-axis, curve. What I want now is the answer, the fourth step. So the answer is going to be y is less than 0, meaning to say I want the negative region. So I go and shade this guy. So my solution is going to be 0. Hope that's very clear to you. First question, solution 1. So this one, right? Solution 1. Okay. We got another one more. Let's go and solve that. Okay, so your second one, this is also called quadratic inequality. So the method to solve quadratic inequality is going to be graphical method. So 6R method again, happy graph, x-intercept, draw the curve, and of course you want to get the right region. Okay, so the right region here is going to be, of course, here y bigger than 0. So I choose my positive region, this one. So the fourth step, the answer going to be negative infinity to 2 and then 3 to infinity. Okay, so this is your solution number 2. So I want to get these two solutions, okay, to work together with my n in my final step. So you know very well final step what we should be doing. Okay, we should be doing a number line. in order to combine solution 1 from the first question, solution 2 from the second question. So I go and draw my number line. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got the number line. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and combine solution 1, which I've put as 0 to 5 here. I'm going to go and combine solution 2, negative infinity to 2, then 3 to infinity. How do I combine? I want to use the word and. And means we intersect. So I'm going to intersect solution 1, landasan 1 and landasan 2. You can see they overlap here. I'm going to shade this. They're going to overlap here. I'm going to shade this. And my final answer is just going to be 0 to 2, 3 to 5. So I go and put 0 to 2, 3 to 5. And as I mentioned before, just put union. If you want to know whether your answer is correct or not, just substitute into your inequality. Hope you enjoyed the example. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever you want. See you in the next. Bye. Ciao for now. Love, Mr. Raj.